Unfortunately, I feel sick first week in Ghana. I'm currently going to Ashesi to visit my brother. He is graduating from Ashesi in like a month, and I don't know, I'm just gonna see him and say hi. Maybe make a video about Ashesi. Probably make a video about Ashesi. I already have my microphones ready. Check out my outfit. So I've been in Ghana for about 2 weeks now. I came to Ghana, ate some kokonte, did my hair, went to Ashesi and fell sick. That's literally all I've done since I came to Ghana. See, this wasn't the plan when I decided on that fateful day to buy my plane ticket to come to Ghana. My plan was to come to Ghana because of you people, my YouTube family. I said I was gonna come to Ghana to go around, learn about new places that are in Ghana, see what's going on, see businesses that are springing up in Ghana, find amazing stories out there and bring it to you guys. But I just came and fell sick. I fell sick. Malaria. Apparently, I had malaria and it kicked my butt, for real. It kicked my butt. But right now I'm back and I'm strong and I am ready to provide amazing content for you guys. Expect some bomb content because the Kasoa ambassador is back, like officially back. I went to Winneba. Winneba is like one of the oldest towns in Ghana and it is in the central region. It's just 30 minutes away from Kasoa. We went there for a program, but I decided to show you a little bit of Winneba. So we're currently at Winneba. Winneba is like a town in the central region. It's like 30 minutes drive from Kasoa, and it's actually one of my favorite towns in Ghana because it's super clean and the MP over here is doing a great job like promoting tourism in this town. And so whenever we come here, there are like new spots around, and today we're at the Unity Square. I guess it's like a place for cultural tourism and stuff, and it's really cool. Winneba is known for the Abuacher Festival. The Abuacher Festival is a festival that is celebrated by people in the Simpa area. Young able men are sent into the forest to go find the wildest animals. I remember at first they used to hunt for lions, but the lions were killing the men. So they decided they would hunt for antelope, yes. And so these young men will go out there to find an antelope, bring it to the king, and the king will kill it and they'll use it for their festival. So that's what Winneba is about. But the Member of Parliament of Winneba has done a great job by promoting this festival. And so yearly, people from all over the world go to Winneba to celebrate this festival. They eat, they drink, they go catch the animal, they celebrate, they dance, go to the beach and do all that. So I'm currently at the Osimpam Heritage Center. Winneba is actually known for Abuacher Festival. Abuacher Festival is like one of the most popular festivals in Ghana where men go into the forest to go catch an animal, to come kill it for the king and And they have this like plaza over here to like display their culture, and it's so pretty. It's like so symbolic and it's so beautiful. There were so many statues and things over there that was like representing their culture, was like telling the story. And so you go to like their heritage center and you see a statue of the men carrying this antelope on their neck. It was really cool going there and seeing all that, and also have some delicious coconuts, of course, which was amazing.
Yeah. We are greening the whole Ghana. This time we'll be over to
We did this tree planting ceremony, so we've decided in my community that every birthday that anyone in the community celebrates, we're going to plant trees. And we're not just planting trees, we are planting fruit trees. So when you are walking in the sun and you are parched, you can just, pluck a mango from the mango tree and enjoy. I mean, you have to wash it and things, but like you can just do that, because like deforestation is killing us and we need to do something about it. And like imagine just walking on the street and just plucking a fruit off your tree just to eat because it's available. That's so cool. And so that's our plan. And our plan is that in 10 years time we would have planted 1 million trees. So pray for us, and if you can donate some trees or anything, please do, because yes, we need them. Yeah, so that was really cool doing that. I made some really good Cameroonian food for it's called Chicken DJ for the bosses. It's like plantain mixed with veggies and chicken, and absolutely delicious. I also went to the best university in Ghana. If you haven't watched the video, go watch the video right now. Yeah, I went to the best university in Ghana to ask them how they felt about being the best university in Ghana and just learn about their life on campus. If you are looking for any university to take your child to, or you are looking for a university to go to, this university is really good. I recommend. How does that feel like actually being in the best school in Ghana?
It's bragging rights.
Bragging rights, right? My plan for the next couple of months is to bring you guys back-to-back premium content, not just focusing on Kasoa, but focusing on Africa. So if you see me in Tanzania, don't be surprised, but right now we're starting from Kasoa, but I have a lot of amazing things coming your way. I'm going to be bringing you inspirational stories, very cool businesses that people are doing. I'm going to be bringing you real estate, of course, and affordable real estate. I hope you enjoy my coming videos, okay? Like, you have to enjoy my coming videos. Like, you cannot not enjoy them. But yeah, that's the plan. Now that we're fit, we're coming back. So stay tuned. I am Mami Sika, your #1 Kasoa ambassador. Remember, obra woara, life is how you make it. I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.
Blocked your phone, you can't find me.